M18 Compact Handgun represents a modern evolution in military sidearms, blending modular design, battlefield reliability, and contemporary ergonomics into a platform that reflects how armed forces think about personal weapons in the 21st century. Developed as the compact variant of the U.S. military's Modular Handgun System, the M18 was designed to serve soldiers, airmen, sailors, and Marines who required a lighter, more adaptable sidearm without sacrificing performance or durability. From its origins to its operational role, the M18 tells a story of modernization, flexibility, and lessons learned from decades of service pistols before it. For much of recent history, military handguns followed a fairly rigid design philosophy. A single frame size, a fixed caliber, and limited adaptability were considered acceptable because pistols were secondary weapons. Over time, however, the battlefield changed. Troops began operating in diverse environments, from urban settings to deserts and cold regions, and they wore different gear configurations depending on their mission. The need for a handgun that could adapt to different hand sizes, carry methods, and operational requirements became clear. The M18 was born from this requirement, emphasizing modularity as its defining feature. At the heart of the M18's design philosophy is adaptability. Rather than being built as a single, unchangeable unit, the pistol is centered around a serialized fire control unit that can be placed into different grip modules. This allows the same core handgun to be configured for different users or missions. For military forces that issue weapons to a wide range of personnel, this is a major advantage. A single platform can be adjusted to fit various hand sizes and preferences without the need to procure entirely different pistols. The compact nature of the M18 sets it apart from its full-size counterpart. While the full-size model is optimized for duty use where size and weight are less of a concern, the M18 balances shootability with reduced dimensions. This makes it easier to carry for extended periods and more practical for personnel who may not primarily serve in frontline combat roles but still require a dependable sidearm. Pilots, vehicle crews, military police, and support personnel all benefit from a handgun that offers full performance in a more compact package. Ergonomics play a major role in the M18's appeal. The grip angle, texturing, and overall balance are designed to feel natural in the hand, reducing fatigue and improving control. Interchangeable grip modules allow the weapon to fit a wide range of users, which is especially important in a military context where a one-size-fits-all approach rarely works. This focus on ergonomics not only improves comfort but can also enhance confidence and consistency when the weapon is deployed under stress. The M18 also reflects modern thinking in terms of materials and construction. Its polymer grip module reduces weight while maintaining strength and resilience in harsh conditions. The slide and barrel are engineered to withstand extensive use and exposure to dust, sand, moisture, and temperature extremes. Military testing standards are unforgiving, and the M18 was developed to meet these demands, proving its reliability through rigorous trials designed to simulate real-world abuse. Another defining aspect of the M18 is its emphasis on compatibility with modern accessories. The handgun is designed to integrate seamlessly with contemporary aiming solutions and support equipment. This reflects a broader shift in military doctrine, where pistols are no longer viewed as purely iron-sighted, close-range tools, but as platforms that can benefit from enhanced targeting and situational awareness. By embracing this approach, the M18 aligns itself with the future of small arms development. Historically, the adoption of a new military sidearm is more than just a change in hardware, it represents a shift in philosophy. The M18 replaced older service pistols that had served for decades, signaling a move away from legacy designs toward a system-based approach. Instead of issuing a single, static handgun, the military now fields a flexible platform that can evolve over time. This ensures that the M18 can remain relevant as technology and operational needs continue to change. In operational terms, the M18 is intended to be a dependable companion rather than a primary weapon. It is carried as a backup or for personal defense, yet it is engineered with the same seriousness as larger firearms. This balance between secondary role and high standards underscores the importance placed on individual survivability and effectiveness. When a sidearm is needed, it must work without hesitation, and the M18 was built with that expectation in mind. Training considerations also influence the design and adoption of the M18. A modular, consistent platform simplifies instruction and maintenance across different branches and units. When personnel transition between roles or assignments, familiarity with the handgun remains largely the same. This continuity reduces training time and logistical complexity, allowing forces to focus more on mission readiness rather than equipment differences. Beyond its military role, the M18 has also drawn attention from the broader defense and firearms community as a symbol of current trends in handgun design. Its emphasis on modularity, ergonomics, and adaptability mirrors developments seen across the global small arms industry. Many modern pistols now prioritize similar features, but the M18 stands out because it was shaped by one of the most demanding procurement processes in the world. The cultural significance of the M18 should not be overlooked. Military sidearms often become icons, representing the era in which they serve. Just as earlier pistols became associated with specific conflicts and generations of service members, the M18 is poised to become a defining symbol of modern armed forces. It represents a period where technology, flexibility, and user-centered design converged to redefine what a service handgun could be. In practical terms, the compact dimensions of the M18 do not diminish its presence or capability. Instead, they reinforce its role as a versatile, everyday sidearm. It is designed to be carried comfortably, drawn efficiently, and operated intuitively. Every aspect of its design reflects a balance between form and function, ensuring that it performs reliably without unnecessary complexity. The adoption of the M18 also highlights the importance of feedback from end users. Modern military procurement increasingly values the experiences and input of those who will carry and use the equipment. Lessons learned from previous handguns, along with insights from active service members, helped shape the final design. This collaborative approach contributes to a weapon that feels purpose-built rather than imposed. As military technology continues to advance, the M18's modular foundation positions it well for future updates. New grip modules, accessories, or enhancements can be integrated without replacing the entire system. This forward-looking design philosophy extends the service life of the handgun and ensures that it can adapt alongside evolving operational requirements. In the broader context of small arms development, the M18 Compact Handgun represents a milestone. It bridges the gap between traditional service pistols and the adaptable weapon systems of the future. It acknowledges that a sidearm must serve a diverse force, operate in countless environments, and remain reliable under extreme conditions, all while being comfortable and intuitive for the individual user. Ultimately, the M18 is more than just a compact handgun, it is a reflection of modern military priorities. It embodies the shift toward modular systems, user-focused design, and long-term adaptability. Whether viewed from a technical, historical, or cultural perspective, the M18 stands as a significant step forward in the evolution of military sidearms, carrying with it the responsibility and expectations of those who rely on it every day.